Hey guys, welcome back for another video. In this video, we'll be seeing the features extrude and revolve. They are used to produce solid features from sketches. Extrude is used when the solid feature is needed along a line, and revolve is used when it is needed about an axis. Let us start with extrude. First, let us draw a sketch. Any sketch can be extruded, so I'll just extrude a hexagon and exit the sketch. Activate the extrude feature and select this. So the extrude feature is now activated. As you can see, a solid feature can be produced of any required dimensions, and here there's the direction can be reversed, and under here there are many options which we will be seeing in the future videos. For now I'll keep it to blind, and this can be done as per the required length of the extrusion. You can also add a draft how much work is needed. You can draft it outwards as well, and you can also add a second direction, extrusion in the other direction. So as you can see, it's extruding in the opposite direction. Here also you have similar options like draft, outward draft. And another feature is thin feature. It is used to make a sheet metal kind of a thing. By doing thin, you can adjust the thickness over here, say 1 mm, and you can do it in one direction, mid plane, and two direction. Two direction is it makes it thin in both the direction about the drawn sketch. Mid plane is done taking this sketch as the mid plane. It will make 2.5 mm on this side and 0.5 mm on the other side. So based on however it's needed, you can do the thickness and adjust it. You can also do cap ends. It caps the open ends basically. Let me just switch off the draft so that we can see it properly. And now if I press OK, the ends are capped, but it is still hollow inside. We can see using the sectional plane view. As you can see, it's still hollow inside. This was the extrude feature. Now let's look at the revolve feature. Let's delete the extrusion and also this. Now let's draw another sketch. Suppose I want to produce a tube kind of a thing. I can just use this, draw a construction line, okay, it became 2. And now exit the sketch, select the revolve, and now select this axis. So we can see it revolved it about this axis. Even here we have similar options like extrude, blind, up to vertex, all that stuff. We can see, we'll be seeing it in the later videos. You can adjust the angle of up to which you want it to revolve. So I can just ask it to revolve up to 300 degrees. It does that. A second direction can be also added. It revolves it in this here. As you can see, if I increase it, that increases. And here also we can add the thin feature. The features remain same, one direction, mid plane, and two direction. And as per the required thickness, you can give the thickness in mm, and you can just click on OK. That gives you the revolved of solid feature. As you can see, this is also hollow inside. We can see it with the sectional plane. It's hollow inside over here. This was the revolved and extruded options available in Solidworks. That's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching.